Hello everyone, welcome to Wire Network. In today's video, I'll walk you through the complete process of installing DD-WRT firmware on a TP-Link router. Whether you are looking for more control, better performance, or advanced features, this upgrade can take your router to the next level. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's first check whether our TP-Link router is compatible with DD-WRT. Next, go to the official DD-WRT website to find the correct firmware for your router. Navigate to the router database section on the DD-WRT website. Next, type your TP-Link router model number into the search bar. Click on the firmware file that matches your router's version. Next, download the factory image file. Once the firmware file is downloaded, connect your PC to the router using an Ethernet cable, then access the router's web interface through your browser. Next, go to System Tools and then click on Firmware Upgrade. Next, select the firmware file you downloaded from the DD-WRT website. Click Upgrade. Once the firmware upgrade is complete, access your DD-WRT router by entering 192.168.1.1 in your browser. Upon first access, you will be prompted to set up a username and password for your DD-WRT router. Make sure to set a strong username and password to ensure the security of your router. And that's it. We've successfully installed DD-WRT on the TP-Link router. If you enjoyed this tech tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more.